I'm currently in the airport and I'm catching my flight. I want to quickly share something with you. Let's go. Guys, let me share with you what I have here with me. This little thing here is called emGuarde. It is an anti-radiation device. This is something that I cannot live without anymore, and so do you. Here's why this is a game changer. Number one, if you're a person who travel regularly like me for trips, business trips, you need one. If you're a person who's constantly bombarded with devices, radar systems, you need one. If you're a person who's feeling tired, fatigued, or even have headaches in the cabin, you also need one. If you're a person who is constantly working on your laptop, tablets in the cabin, you also need one. And you're a person who experiences ear pressure, you also need one. Okay guys, I'm feeling a little bit unprotected now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to plug in and turn on my emGuarde. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's plug in. You can see the light is turned on. Alright. Okay. Then I'm going to continue watching my Netflix. So this is how portable it is. You can actually travel around with you and walk around. This is the emGuarde here. You can see that it's connected. The lights are on. Just put it in the bag here. It's so convenient, and then you are always on the go. Hey fam, I slept at 2 a.m. last night and I woke up at 4 a.m. to catch my early flight. Currently the time is about 8 a.m. Okay, I'm very sleepy right now, so I'm going to take a power nap. So before I take my power nap, I will be turning on my emGuarde. Okay, let me connect this. Okay, it's turned on right now. Okay, as you can see, it's turned on. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to close this and take my power nap. So it's about 2 hours before I arrive and touch down at Bangkok. So let's see how I feel after 2 hours. Okay, hi guys. I am out of the plane ready and I've landed Bangkok airport. Now I just want to show you that my emGuarde is still on. You can see that the lights, there you go, it's still on. So let me share with you how I felt, what are my experiences. Now my flight was about a 2 hours journey, and about an hour or so, I was in a deep sleep mode. So that was a very good thing there. Currently I'm feeling very refreshed, more energy. I felt great. Overall, it was amazing. Now, I think without the emGuarde, I won't be feeling how I'm feeling right now. So it's crazy. The emGuarde, when I was in the cabin, the emGuarde actually harmonizes the radiation around me. Not just myself, but also the passengers around me, because it covers a coverage of 8 meters space. So if you're thinking to get an emGuarde, okay, connect to any distributors or myself. Change your environment, change your life with emGuarde.